It looks difficult, but it really isn't. Once you've cut your 22 by 22 inch square pieces of fabric, you'll press over 5/8 of an inch the entire way around, and then mark with a disappearing ink pen or a piece of chalk 1.5 inches. You can do it on both sides, you can do it on one side. You do that the whole way around. You have this 1.5 inch marks on the outside corners, in from the corner, 1.5, in from the corner, 1.5, the whole, all 4 corners. And you're going to take, I'm going to do this at each corner. Now you have the folded edge. You have your marking on the outside edge of the napkin at 1.5 inches in from the corner. You're going to take something that you know is perpendicular. So in this case, I'm using that same tool that I used to seam back the 5/8 inch hem. And I'm going to create a line from the fold to the outer edge of the napkin that's perpendicular to the fold. You want it perpendicular to the fold. And I'm going to use I'm going to do that on all 4 corners. And you're going to stitch along that line. I find that it's easiest to go from stitch from the fold to the outer edge. You're going to go forward and back. Unfortunately, I really needed to rethread my machine, so my stitches aren't fabulous, but it gives you an idea. Now you can do this one of 2 ways. You can trim along the outside edge of that seam, and then at the corner, at the fold, just clip off that little bit. Or you can start with the angled cut, so parallel or perpendicular to this outside edge, go down close to the seam, like that, and then trim. Doesn't matter, get the same effect. Again, you can either trim close to the edge and then just clip that little bit of the corner off. Or you can start perpendicular to the outer edge, snip along that first, and then trim. Now, Now, that's your back side. You're going to turn that inside out. Use a boning tool just to get that precision in that corner. Sometimes your excess fabric will bunch a little bit. You can use that boning tool to lay it down flat. Now you will press this. Once you've sewn your corners and you've turned it inside out, you've used the boning tool to define your corners. Use a steam iron and press that hem. Now you're going to turn it over, and I like to pin my corners, stabilize the corners, and then generally I work my way out from the middle.